Hello there! Are you new at FAU? Maybe this is your first time at university? You probably have a lot of questions. We are going to show you all the things you need to know about the library in the following short video. Let's get started with your library card. If you want to use the library, you need a library card. Conveniently, this is your FAU card. However, the card needs to be activated for library services first. You will find instructions on card activation in the letter which came with your FAU card. Of course, you can also come and visit us at one of the information desks at our library locations. Library staff will be happy to help with any queries you might have. You might also be interested in what the library has to offer to support your studies. Whenever you think about a library, the first thing that comes to mind will be books. Of course, we have all the important textbooks and current publications for all courses taught at FAU. In case you require an item we do not have in stock, please feel free to approach us at any of the information desks, and we will find a way to get the required title for you. However, books are not the only thing we have to offer. We also provide you with a variety of electronic resources that you might find useful for your studies. Scholarly journals are available to you both in print and electronically, and you can also access a huge range of electronic books and databases. Those are accessible from anywhere for all FAU members, and you're one of them. You have probably noticed that FAU has locations all over Erlangen, Nuremberg, or even Bamberg and Pleinfeld. FAU Library Services strive to provide easy access to literature for all departments and institutes, and therefore runs 4 big branch libraries. This includes the main library, HB, and the Science and Technology Branch Library, TNZB, in Erlangen, as well as the Educational Science Branch Library, EZB, and the Economic and Social Sciences Branch Library, WSZB, in Nuremberg. Almost any item can be transferred between those 4 branch libraries. Depending on where you live, what you study, or which library you like best, you can choose your preferred pickup location. Please be aware that books always have to be returned to the pickup location you selected. The majority of students use the library as a study space. Therefore, we offer silent study spaces, group study rooms, as well as computer workstations. We also provide photocopiers, which can also scan, print, or send data per email. One device for everything. Searching for a specific book and its location can be done via our online catalogue. After choosing a pickup location, fill in all the information in the respective search boxes. We recommend using as few and precise search terms as possible. For example, use title words or the author's last name. Every search result will show a list of holdings. Important textbooks are usually available in large numbers. Status and branch indicate if the book is available for loan and where it is located. For order means that the item has to be ordered first and can be picked up from the lending desk or self-service shelves later. Available for loan, on the other hand, means that you have to fetch the item from the open shelves yourself. Make sure to remember the shelf mark before you head out to pick it up. This will help you to find your book among all the others in the library. There's also an option to place a reservation on a book that is currently on loan by clicking on the link "On Loan Until". If you are unsure where a book is located, click on Location Guide on the right-hand side to see the exact location and opening hours of the library where the book is held. That was a lot of information in one go. To learn even more, you can take a look at our e-tutorials or sign up for one of our training sessions. For more information, please go to our homepage and click on Studying. See you soon!